Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hide distance on Kfriends application. For example, if you turn on the distance option, then you are able to see, or other people able to see, like what is your location and how much distance you from the other user. Okay, so you can see this is the home page. So what you need to do, you need to tap here my profile or my page, right bottom corner on your screen. Simply tap on that, and then you can see the option settings option. Simply tap on the settings option, then you can see app settings, tap on that, and you can see distance, show the distance to other user. Okay, so by default it's on. So if you tap on that, then it will be disabled, and other people will not able to see you that how much distance you are from them. So friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching.